Pet First Aid Kit Essential, buy it before you need it. This hemostat is a useful tool to use on removing unwanted objects on your pet's coat and skin, like ticks, burrs, and thorns. It can also be used to remove excess hair that can block the ear canal. Used by veterinarians, veterinarians use hemostats to safely and easily remove ticks, burrs and other unwanted items from pet's skin or coat. Sturdy and hygienic, this hemostat for pets is made of stainless steel that won't rust, break, or even bend under pressure. It is also easy to clean with smooth finish for corrosion resistance. Made for all, these grooming forceps are easy and safe to use even without professional supervision. This tool is ideal for veterinarians, pet groomers, and pet parents. Quality Made, Vetworthy is an American company that offers a wide variety of products that are proudly made under strict quality control to provide healthy benefits for furry friends. Because a healthy pet is a happy pet. Protect your pets from unwanted objects and maintain proper ear health with this hemostat from Vetworthy. This tick and hair plucker for dogs offers a strong grab to gently remove ticks, excess hair, thorns, and other unwanted objects from your pet's skin and coat. Made of durable stainless steel that is easy to clean and use. Vetworthy is a prime manufacturer of animal wellness products for companion animals and is a brand of Finish Line Pets, FLP, LLC, located in Tempe, Arizona. We specialize in a variety of delivery systems for branded and private label pet care products including chewable tablets, soft chews, capsules, powders, lotions, creams, gels, pastes, as well as medical supplies for our four-legged friends. All our products are developed by veterinarians using globally sourced ingredients for specific animal needs and conditions. They are easy to administer and as an added bonus, pets love the flavors. Every Vetworthy wellness product is safe, has high-quality standards and is made to support your pet's unique needs. Top reviews from the United States. Best decision for Doodle ear care. This product made cleaning my giant schnoodle's ears 100x easier. I was having a hard time plucking the hair out of his ears and he ended up with an ear infection. After some research, I found this type of item is helpful because it actually has grips that allow you to grab the hair from their ears, instead of using tweezers. Would recommend to anyone with poodle/oodle dogs whose ears get too hairy.